Hey everyone, today we are leaving our Sun Outdoors Resort in today,
Islamorada.
Islamorada, and we are heading down to Key West, Florida. It's about a 2-hour drive, so sit back and enjoy the ride.
He's scootering across the USA from near and far and day to day. He's scootering across the USA. He shows you the accessible way. He's the accessible traveler. The accessible traveler. He's the accessible traveler. He travels the accessible way. He's the accessible traveler.
Don't forget to subscribe.
As we leave behind the turquoise waters and laid-back charm of the northern Florida Keys, we begin one of the most iconic drives in America, down the legendary overseas highway toward Key West. Stretching more than 100 miles, this remarkable road connects a chain of tropical islands that seem to float between the Gulf of America and the Atlantic Ocean. But this isn't just a scenic drive, it's a journey through history, resilience, and engineering ambition. Long before cars cruised this route, these islands were remote, sparsely populated, and accessible only by boat. That changed in the early 1900s when oil tycoon Henry Flagler envisioned something extraordinary, a railway stretching from mainland Florida all the way to Key West. It was called the Florida East Coast Railway, and at the time, it was considered one of the greatest engineering feats in the world. Completed in 1912, Flagler's railway earned the nickname, the eighth wonder of the world. Watch to the end of the video to see us rate the world-famous key lime pie on a stick.
It's a beautiful drive, my gosh.
Massive bridges were constructed over open water, connecting island to island in ways never before attempted. For the first time, people could travel by train across the Keys, opening the region to tourism and commerce. But nature had other plans. In 1935, a devastating Category 5 hurricane, known as the Labor Day Hurricane of 1935, swept through the Keys, destroying large portions of the railway and claiming hundreds of lives. The damage was so severe that the railway was never rebuilt. Instead, the remnants of Flagler's vision were transformed. The old rail bridges became the foundation for a new kind of journey, the Overseas Highway, completed in 1938.
Robbie's is where I think they feed the tarpon.
Yep,
You can see some people feeding them right down there. Huh. I think they're more seagulls are feeding. They're not allowed to, but.
What was once a train route became a road for travelers, adventurers, and dreamers. As you continue driving south, notice how the landscape shifts. Some keys are lush and green, others narrow and windswept. The water changes color with the light, from deep blue to brilliant aquamarine. It's not just a road, it's a moving postcard. Now, about halfway through this journey, you approach one of the most famous stretches of road in the world, the legendary 7-Mile Bridge. Originally built as part of Flagler's railway, the first version of this bridge was completed in 1912. It was a marvel of its time, stretching across open ocean with a series of concrete arches and steel spans. Imagine a train crossing this expanse over a century ago, surrounded by nothing but water in every direction. After the 1935 hurricane damaged the railway, the bridge was converted for automobile use as part of the Overseas Highway. For decades, it served as a narrow 2-lane road, offering breathtaking views, but also requiring careful navigation. In the 1980s, a new 7-mile bridge was constructed alongside the original. Completed in 1982, the modern bridge is wider, safer, and built to withstand the harsh marine environment and powerful storms that define life in the Keys. today is one of the longest segmental bridges in the world.
Well, Susan decided to make a stop at Dollar Tree in Marathon, Florida. We're about halfway down the Keys on the way to Key West. I'm sure you've seen the beautiful views that we've been posting in the video and everything, but she wanted to get a few things, a few staples to take with us, maybe some snacks and a couple of things for the RV. Say hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. But anyway, enjoy the rest of the video.
As you drive across it now, you're suspended between sea and sky. To one side, you may catch a glimpse of the old bridge, partially preserved as a historic landmark and pedestrian path. It stands as a quiet reminder of the ambition and determination that first connected these islands. Continuing beyond the bridge, the Keys begin to feel even more remote. The pace slows, the crowds thin, the horizon stretches endlessly ahead. Each mile brings you closer to Key West, the southernmost point in the continental United States. Along the way, you're not just covering distance, you're traveling through more than a century of history, from bold industrial dreams to modern-day escape. By the time you reach Key West, you've experienced something rare, a road that is as much the destination as the place it leads to. So take it in, roll the windows down, let the salt air fill the car, because there's simply no drive in the world quite like this one.
Welcome to Key West, Florida.
Close up on the chickens. Or the roosters. Don't be going under our car. I think they're chasing the female. They're chasing the female. Isn't that funny? They're gonna be diddling. That's funny. So she saw. Okay, that's good.
Here, guys, we have the southernmost tip of the United States.
Very busy.
Historic area of Key West, and we're not going to stop there, just no place to park, but wanted to show it to you guys. Hey everyone, we decided to stop by on our way out of Key West at the
Key Lime Pie Company,
there you go,
right on the corner of, I guess it's Duval.
yeah, I think it is on Duval Street.
It's right across from Sloppy Joe's. So
Yes, the famous Sloppy Joe's Bar and Grill. So we're gonna let you know how this is.
They're frozen key lime pie. I guess you could say chocolate dipped pie bar.
You can open mine.
Yeah, I know, if I can get it open.
Here, if you want to hold the camera, I can get it open.
I got
Oh,
it.
there you go.
I got it.
Okay.
Like an Eskimo pie.
Oh yeah, it's really cute. If you see, it's in the shape of a slice of pie, and it's chocolate covered key lime pie.
Thank you.
That's good.
Oh yeah.
Really good chocolate.
What's nice is the pie is tart, and
Uh-huh.
you have the sweetness of the chocolate and the tart. Oh, they're good. We always want to get one when you come down here.
Yeah. I'm not usually a large or a big fan of key lime pie, but always liked it with the chocolate, the frozen. It's not as frozen as I thought it would be. I thought it'd be a lot harder. It's just barely hard enough that it keeps it frozen.
With the inside?
Uh-huh.
Maybe because I think it was Kermit's last time we were there. It wasn't this place.
Oh, okay. Maybe that's what it was. But it has a crust on the bottom of the pie.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
and it's sweet and tart at the same time.
Very good. I give it a 9. Maybe a 10.
I'd give it a 7.5 or 8. I mean, it's not bad at all.
Why 7.5 and 8? Because it's not frozen?
Probably because I like key lime pie, but I'm not a huge fan of it.
Oh,
And I just think between that and not being more frozen, I think my own opinion. It's good. Don't get me wrong. I'd get it again if we came down.
I think it's good. Probably also good because we haven't had lunch yet. We're really hungry.
Yeah, we'll do that on the way back to Islamorada, back to the Sun Outdoors Resort. And stay tuned for the next video, guys. Thanks.
Please subscribe to see our next video.